How to make Instagram carousel posts. So first, go to your Instagram account, and then you just need to click on the plus icon here at the bottom. Next is just choose post here, and then choose this icon here. So you can select multiple photos. So just select any of the photos that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use 3, and then just select next here at the top. And after that, you can add edits here. You can add audio, text, overlay, filter, anything that you want. And then once you're done editing it, you can just click on next here at the bottom. Okay, after that, you can add a caption, tag people. Then once you're done with all of that, you can just click on share here at the bottom. Okay, now just click on share posts. And as you can see here, it says finishing up. Let's just wait for it to finish. Let's just go to our profile. Okay, it takes a while. Now, once you've checked your profile, you can see here. And there you go. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.